It's time to eat, baby. We're cooking with the NASCAR chef, John Dix.
Yeah, guys, I tell you what, this week we have a very simple casserole for everybody out there that's busy watching racing and getting spring stuff going. We're going to do a chicken and broccoli casserole.
Talk to me. We need
Okay, gang.
Casserole.
Yeah, buddy, we're going to start with a one whole chicken, about 8 to 10 ounces of frozen broccoli, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 can, about 10 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, some garlic, salt to taste, and 2 cups of Velveeta cheese. Now, if you want to use regular shredded cheddar cheese, go ahead, because to me, Velveeta is about like spackle, but we won't go there with that. But actually, the Velveeta does good in this recipe. It surprised me when first time I made it a while back. Now, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to boil and debone the chicken, then preheat your oven to 350. Now, you can skip the cook part of this step if you buy rotisserie chicken, but just please make sure you debone it because it'll be a little rough later if you don't. We're going to boil our broccoli according to the package directions, and in a bowl, you want to mix the mayonnaise, the chicken soup, and the garlic salt. Place your broccoli in a grease or sprayed 9x13 casserole dish, then pour the soup mixture on top of over the broccoli. Then add your chicken on top and your cheese. It's that simple, guys. Place the casserole dish in a preheated oven for about 10-15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Great quick little casserole. And some people I know actually will make these, put them in the freezer the night before, and the next day when you get home from work, it's already made. You throw it in the oven and heat it up, and it's good to go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Chicken and broccoli, man. Oof. Now, obviously, you can go a couple of ways with that, though, can't you, John? You can either do chicken, you could probably do steak, maybe, or possibly some JR's pimp shrimp.
You are right, Wayne. You took the words right out of my mouth. I was going to say that since we had the shrimp pimping, who pimping ain't easy on the show earlier, which we all enjoyed his
shrimping ain't easy.
Yeah, we had his little segment on earlier. Get about a pound of JR shrimp and hit me or Andy or Wayne up, and or come on our Facebook page, and we can hook you up with JR. And you can use, like you said, Wayne, you can use shrimp instead of chicken, and it's some good stuff. I'm having shrimp tonight for dinner, as a matter of fact.
All right. Well, with that said here, folks, if you ever want to get a hold of the NASCAR chef and the recipe for the week, not only can you see it on our video sources when we get things all situated here on YouTube and Rumble, you can also see them over on wingding.tv. And there is the large version of it for those that are maybe half blind like I am. God knows I'm wearing bifocals at 35. But either which way here, folks, there's the recipe for the weekend, large format. Or if you want to get a hold of it directly from the NASCAR chef himself, all you have to do is send him an email at racing, that's RACING, the number 2, thegrill@gmail.com, RACING, the number 2, thegrill@gmail.com. And